I'm so freaking bored. What must I do today? I have an idea. I will call my girlfriend Miley and have her come over so both me and her steal Hal and Nature Cat's ATVs. Hee hee hee.
Hello, this is Miley. What is it?
This is Ronald. I was wondering if you would be interested in coming over so we can steal Hal and Nature Cat's ATVs. Hee hee hee.
Oh my god. That sounds awesome. I'll be over in 16 minutes.
Miley, Nature Cat sometimes uses the ATV behind the red one that Hal uses. I'll steal the one Nature Cat uses while you go steal the red one. Does that sound cool?
It sure as hell does. Ronald, let's get going and have some fun. No rules. No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No
No
rules.
rules.
No rules.
No
No
rules.
rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No rules.
No
No
rules.
rules.
No
No
rules.
rules.
No rules. No rules.
Hal, are you looking forward to when we take out ATVs around the backyard?
Sure, I look forward to us using our ATVs in the backyard.
Hal, I have bad news. Our ATVs are missing. It appears that they got stolen.
Nature Cat, buddy, I don't have a clue on who could have done something like this.
I have a strange feeling in my gut that both Ronald and his girlfriend Miley had something to do with this. I am going to call the police, then I'll call Miley's parents.
911, what's your emergency, please?
Hello, police. Ronald and his girlfriend Miley stole me and Hal's ATVs. Please arrest them. Okay, goodbye.
Wow. Miley, it's fun for us to ride ATVs on the road. Who cares about the student rules?
Ronald, I agree with you. Riding ATVs is so much fun.
Miley, I have bad news. We're running out of gas. I have even worse news for you. The cops are here.
This is your jail cell. Get in there right now. Oh, and you have some visitors who wish to see you both.
Ronald and Miley, how dare you both steal me and Hal's ATVs? That's it.
You are grounded for 575 novemvigintillion years.
As for you, Miley, you are grounded for 78,912,343 years. When you get out of jail, there will be multiple punishments awaiting both you and Ronald. Goodbye.
Man. This freaking sucks so freaking much.